Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair of the MSI Prestige 15A10SC motherboard, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, thermal paste, and a cleaning brush. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother and more efficient. First, power off the laptop and unplug it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws, placing them in a small container for safekeeping. Be mindful of the different sizes of screws, as they need to be returned to their original positions. Once the screws are out, gently pry the back panel off using a plastic opening tool. Avoid using metal tools here to prevent damaging the casing. After removing the back panel, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal components using the cleaning brush. Regular cleaning helps maintain optimal performance and prevents overheating. Now, locate the motherboard. You will see various connections and components attached. If you notice any damaged or burnt areas, this could indicate the need for a motherboard replacement. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, disconnect the components attached to the motherboard. This includes the RAM, storage drive, and any connectors. Be cautious while handling these parts, as they are delicate. Use your anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge that could damage the electronics. Once all components are disconnected, you can proceed to remove the motherboard. There will be additional screws holding it in place, so ensure to remove those as well. With the motherboard free, inspect it closely for any visible signs of damage. If repair is viable, you might need to resolder the components or replace capacitors. If you don't have the tools or expertise for this, consider our service to quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. After making necessary repairs or replacements, it's time to reassemble. Apply thermal paste on the CPU and GPU before reinserting them. This ensures proper heat dissipation. Reverse the disassembly steps. Start by placing the motherboard back in its slot, securing it with screws, and reconnecting all components one by one. Before closing the back panel, it's wise to power on the laptop to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repair services. No calls, no travel, just hassle-free repair solutions. Once confirmed that the system is working, carefully place the back panel on and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable, and power on your device. Your MSI Prestige 15A10SC should now be back in action, ready for use. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your laptop, so consider adopting a routine cleaning schedule. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.